Today we are exploring some of the absolute best spots in Chicago. We've had tickets for a Wendella Boat Tour sitting in our email for approximately 700 years, and today is finally the day we use them. Step 1. Boarding the ship. Look at this ramp access. 10 out of 10 flex right off the bat. And we are officially cruising down the Chicago River. Look at these massive skyscrapers. That tower right there is literally so tall it's casually flexing on the sun. Passed the iconic Tribune Tower, sailed past Navy Pier, and checked out the skyline from the open lake. Easily a 100 out of 10 architectural experience. Next up, a mandatory side quest. We headed straight over to the Illinois Institute of Technology because my mom is an official alumni, and she was hyped to show us her old stomping grounds. We relived some iconic college memories and wrapped up an elite day in Chicago. If you enjoyed this journey, hit that like button and subscribe for the next adventure.